Hello my loves, in this video I'm going to share with you the destiny number, or as well called expression number 1 in numerology. What does it mean to be a destiny number 1? What are you most successful in doing with a destiny number 1? Which career path is the most successful for you with the destiny number 1? I want to mention as well, you want to look as well into your life path number and your birthday code to find the best possible career path and way to make money in your life. Comment down below what is your destiny number, what is your life path number, what is your birthday code. And if you don't know yet how to calculate your destiny number, I have the perfect video for you right now here. How to calculate your destiny number, what you're most successful in doing, and in which areas of your life you are going to be thriving in your life. Let's dive first of all in the destiny number 1, and then I will give you concrete career tips and advice in the second part of this video. With the destiny number 1, you're designed to be an independent individual. Your soul wants to be independent and free. So this is your mission with the destiny number 1. Your mission is it as well to embrace your uniqueness and to use your unique talents and gifts and your unique expression to your advantage. Your path is often off the beaten path. You are not someone who is on the regular path. You're on a very special and unique path, and you are here as well to lead others on this new path you are on. You are a leader, you are someone who leads others, and you are as well here to assist and support others who need guidance right now. You are highly intuitive, highly empathic, and you may run your own business. You may work autonomously or be a manager of others. You are destined to have the courage to think for yourself. Once you wake up, have your spiritual awakening, and you can't be contained to the mainstream, to the masses. You're very unique and special in your expression. You are here with the destiny number 1 to overcome self-doubts and overthinking. You are here to find motivation from within and to become fully motivated and fully empowered and confident along the way. You are highly creative and you are a big visionary. You are an innovator of new pathways. Now I am giving you concrete career tips, money making advice for the destiny number 1. You are working the best in a position of authority, in a leadership position. You are very good in coaching, guiding others, healing others. So any form of life coaching, counselor, healer, spiritual advisor is a perfect position for you, as you are naturally very good in guiding and helping others and empowering and uplifting other people. You are very good as well to be a person who stands on a stage and speaks in front of big audiences. It will be your challenge to step on these stages into the spotlight. Even you might feel sometimes hiding yourself from the spotlight. You are very good in any artistic creative career. You could be a musician, making a change in the world through your music, an artist, YouTuber, Instagram. You're really here to make big shifts and reach a big amount of people, a big audience. Let me know in the comments if you resonate with that, if you're destiny number 1. Comment as well your life path number and your birthday code. And if you want to bring all these 3 big numbers together to get a better picture about like how you are truly good in making money and successful, I recommend to see these 3 big numbers together, read these numbers together. You want to book a reading with me, and I thank you so much for your support in the comments, for subscribing, for liking, watching here, and I send you much love. Keep shining your light into the world, and I see you in the next one.